Hey everybody guys, Ethan here and welcome back to our video. In this video, we're going to show you how to put a Pokemon Go joystick. And this is the app where you need to, this one, the one on the bottom. And there's this one, mock GPS for joystick. And just search up joystick for Pokemon Go. And then after that, you install it. And then go mock GPS. And you say continue and allow in settings. You just scroll down and select mock location app and select the app that you just downloaded. And then you just go back. Oopsie. You should go back and then tap where you want to go. First you start at Francisco. Let's go here. Okay, you can see this joystick and then go Pokemon Go. And just load in. Still loading. It takes so long. As you can see, you just use this. It goes on opposite direction. Okay, this is a view. Okay, this is the view. See you guys. Bye.